Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's make a detox drink together. Here we have our mint, here we have our date, here we have our lemon, and here we have our cucumber. So we're blending all this together, then we'll be straining it out, and we'll be blending with some water and we'll be straining out, and the juice is what we are taking in this recipe. And as well, there are two ways to take this drink. You can either take it as a smoothie or as a juice. After blending it up, you can either decide to strain it or drink it like that. You can either strain it or drink it like that. So without no further ado, let's jump right into it. I'll get started by rinsing my mint leaf with some water and some vinegar. I'll rinse my lemon, I'll rinse my cucumber, and I'll blend that up together. Let's get started. Into this bowl of water, I'll be adding my vinegar, and I'll be adding some mint leaf, and I'll just wash that up, and I'll allow that to sit for a while. Then I'll rinse my cucumber in the water, and I'll slice that up. Then I will blend all that together. So into my blender cup, I'll be adding some cucumbers, I'll be adding some dates, and into that I'll be adding my mint leaf, and not forgetting our star ingredients. We don't have any star ingredients. We have our water. I'll be adding some clean water into my blender, and I'll just cover that up, and I'll just so here is me adding some juice, some lemon juice into it, and I'll just stir that up together, and it's ready to be consumed. So you can either store this up in your refrigerator to enjoy it as a cold pressed detox, or you can take it like this. So here's the end result of our juice smoothie detox drink that we just made. To get all the full ingredients, please do well to check the description box for all the health benefits of all the ingredients we incorporated into this. Do well to subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipe. Bye for now.